Hydroment Ceramic Tile Grout is a proven blend of carefully graded quartz aggregates, Portland cement, colorfast pigments, and other special proprietary ingredients. It provides superior hardness, consistent uniform color, strength, and durability with a wide variety of tiles. Additionally, Hydroment Ceramic Tile Grout Sanded exceeds requirements of ANSI A118.6 when mixed with water and ANSI A118.7 mixed with Bostik 425 multi-purpose acrylic latex admixture. It comes with Bostik's blockade antimicrobial protection, which inhibits the growth of bacteria, mold or mildew on the surface of the cured grout, and can be used for interior and exterior, residential and commercial installation, on floors and walls, in dry to intermittent wet applications, or submerged applications when mixed with 425 multi-purpose latex admixture. Hydroment Ceramic Tile Grout is used for grouting all types of ceramic tile, ceramic mosaics, porcelain, quarry tile, brick, pavers, slate, granite, cultured marble, dimensional stone, and structural glazed tile. Be sure to read the technical and safety data sheets before use. These are easily found on our website at bostik.com/US. Visit the website to download the datasheet for Bostik's Hydroment Ceramic Tile Grout Sanded.